Hello viewers, welcome to M Electrical YouTube channel. Think you all are well and good. As you all know, in this channel we discuss about the latest job notification and recruitment. In same manner, today we will discuss about the job notification released by NLC India Limited. So before that, those who haven't subscribed our channel till now are requested to subscribe it and press the bell icon beside it to get the instant notification quickly. So viewers, it is the notification released by NLC India Limited. It is for apprenticeship. It is a Navaratna public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Coal. You have to give the online application here. It has released the post for graduate and diploma. The candidates who have done engineering from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Karnataka, and United Territories, and Pondicherry and Lakshadweep can only apply for this post. And the candidate who has passed in 2018, 2019, and 2020 can apply for this apprenticeship post. The training will be for 1 year. Now we will see the disciplines, number of training place, monthly stipend, and duration of training. Electrical and electronics engineering has 70 posts, and electronics and communication engineering has 10 posts, instrumentation engineering has 10 posts, civil engineering has 35 posts, mechanical engineering has 75 posts, computer science and engineering has 20 posts, chemical engineering has 10 posts, mining engineering has 20 posts, and total it has 250 posts, and monthly stipend is 15,028 and duration of training is 1 year. So this was the post for graduate apprentice. Now we will see for diploma how many discipline, how many number of post, monthly stipend and duration training time are there. So in diploma in electrical and electronics engineering there is 85 post, electronics and communication engineering there is 10 post, instrumentation engineering there is 10 post, civil engineering there is 35 post, mechanical engineering it is 90 post, computer science and engineering it has 25 post, and mining engineering has 30, and pharmacist has 15, and total it has 300 post. And monthly stipend given here is 12,524 and duration of training is 1 year. Next we will see the minimum education and qualification needed for graduate apprenticeship. A degree in engineering or technology granted by a statutory university in relevant discipline. A degree in engineering or technology granted by an institution empowered to grant such degree by an act of parliament in relevant discipline. Now we will know the minimum educational qualification for diploma apprentice. A diploma in engineering or technology granted by a state council or board of technical education established by a state government in relevant discipline, or a diploma in engineering or technology granted by a university in relevant discipline. This all qualification education is needed for this apprenticeship. Now we will know about the age which is needed. Age limit will be followed as per apprenticeship rule. Next is reservation of vacancies. Guidelines under Apprenticeship Act on reservation for SC, ST, OBC, PWD will be followed. Candidates claiming reservation under SC, ST, OBC, PWD shall provide certificates as per government standard format, failing which their claim for reservation will be considered as general category only. If BC candidates claiming OBC category, they should bring OBC certificate as per the government prescribed OBC format for the certificate issuing authority. Next, we will see candidate of project affected persons. Vacancies up to 10% are reserved for wards of PAPS project affect persons. Next is to avail this opportunity. Wards of PAPS should register and submit their application through this website, which will be given on the description box. Kindly check it. Submit a scanned copy of the certificate issued by the LA department indicating that NATS students enroll and serial number through mail on or before 10th October 2020. They have to submit the original certificate issued by the LA department at the time of joining training at NLC Indian Limited. In case of non-availability of NLC project affected person candidates, the vacancies will be filled up with other candidate as per procedure. Next is minimum physical standard. As prescribed in Clause 4 of the Apprenticeship Rule 1992 and amendments thereof, if any. Duration of training. The duration of apprenticeship training will be for a period of 1 year as per Apprenticeship Act 1973. Previous training experience. Candidate who have already undergone or and currently undergoing apprenticeship under Apprentice Act 1973 and or having 1 year or more experience are not eligible to apply. Now, we will know about the selection procedure. Shortlisted candidates shall be indicated through their registered email ID. Shortlisted candidates have to appear for certificate verification also. Procedure for registration and submission of application. For students who have already enrolled in the national web portal and having login detail, they have to first log in, click establishment request menu, click find establishment, upload resume, choose establishment name, type NLC Indian Limited and search, then click apply, again. Next is for the student who have not so far enrolled in the national web portal, they have to go to this website which will be given on the description box. Next is to click enroll, complete the application form. A unique enrollment number for each student will be generated. Then please wait for at least 1 day for enrollment verification and approval. After this, student can proceed to step 2. Now the step 2 is to log in, click establishment request menu, click find establishment, upload resume, choose establishment name, type NLC Indian Limited and search, click apply. Then you have to click apply again. Next is travel expenses. No TR will be paid for attending certificate verification. Next is boarding or lodging. No boarding or lodging expenses are admissible during selection procedure. After joining the training at Naveli, clubbed accommodation will be given based on availability as per nominal rent. Upon completion of the apprenticeship period, NLC Indian Limited, an undertaking of the Government of India, shall have no obligation of offer employment to such apprentice, nor can an apprentice claim right for employment on the ground of completion of apprenticeship. Now we will know about the important dates. Online application starting date is 15th October 2020. Last date of enrollment is 3rd November 2020. Last date of applying for NLC Indian Limited is 10 November 2020. Declaration of shortlisted candidate is 16 November 2020. Verification of certificates of shortlist candidate is 23rd November 2020. The list of the candidates shortlisted for certificate verification would be published in this website, so you can see it from here only. And incompletion or any error application, if received after due dates, will be rejected. So this was some details about the notification. You can see it from here, and next it is the page from where you can enroll. See here, there is 3 line. If you click here, you can this option will appear in front of you. In the case you have already logged in, you have to press on login, and in that case you have not logged in, you have to press in enroll. So after login, this type of page will come, and next you have to fill up all this and submit it. Thank you for watching the video till end. If you like it, please do like, share and comment. For more updates, keep on watching our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.